morning all. So in today's class we will see a few more problems on ellipses. So the first question is, if alpha and beta be the eccentric angles of the ends of a focal chord of an ellipse of eccentricity E, then we need to prove that. So the first part is plus or minus E cos alpha plus beta by 2 cos alpha minus beta by 2. So this is equal to cos alpha minus beta by 2. And the second part of the question is, you need to prove that tan alpha by 2 tan beta by 2 plus 1 minus plus E by 1 plus or minus E is equal to 0. Okay. അപ്പം നമ്മൾക്ക് തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന condition ഇതാണ്, alpha and beta are eccentric angles of the ends of the focal chord of the ellipse. So for ellipse we have two foci, രണ്ട് focus ഉണ്ട്. So that is AE0 and minus AE0. Now we are assuming that our focal chord is passing through the point AE0. So without loss of generality, let us assume that. So let us take the focal chord which is passing through the point AE0. അപ്പോൾ രണ്ട് focal chord ellipse-നെ രണ്ട് point meet ചെയ്യും. ആ points-ലെ eccentric angles ആണ്. Corresponding to that points, you have the eccentric angles alpha and beta. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് eccentric angles അറിയാമെങ്കിൽ you can write the parametric representation at those coordinates. So that will be A cos alpha and B sin alpha, then A cos beta and B sin beta. So then using those coordinates, we will further go into the proof of this identity. Okay. So that is the that much is what given to us. So let the coordinates of endpoints of the focal chord be. So since the eccentric angles are alpha and beta, this is the one of the focus. Focal chord focal chord that is a chord which is passing through the foci one of the focus. So these will be the coordinates of points and it will be passing through the point A0. Now you are given the endpoints of the chord. So let us find the equation of the chord. So we will find the equation of line segment joining these 2 points, A cos alpha, B sin alpha, and then A cos beta, B sin beta. So the equation of chord is given by y minus B sin alpha, B sin beta by B sin alpha minus B sin beta, that will be equal to x minus A cos beta by A cos cos beta minus sin beta. Sorry, this is A cos alpha minus cos beta. So please make this correction here. It is A cos alpha ആണ് ഇവിടെ വരുന്നത്, cos alpha minus cos beta. ഇനി ഇതാണ് ഈ chordന്റെ equation. This chord will pass through the point AE0. So let us substitute that point in this equation. Okay. So this is cos alpha minus cos beta. ഇനി നമുക്ക് denominator this is in the form sin A minus sin B, and this is in the form cos A minus cos B. So that can be put in the form 2 sin A minus B by 2 cos A plus B by 2, അതുപോലെ 2 cos A minus cos B ne, so you can write in the form 2 sin A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by B minus A by 2. So here sin alpha minus beta cancel ആവും, ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു നെഗറ്റീവ് സൈൻ ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ വരും. So remaining you will have this equation. So y minus B sin beta by B cos alpha plus beta by 2, it will be equal to x minus a cos beta by minus a sin alpha plus beta by 2. Now, let us substitute the point a is 0 in this equation. Y യുടെ പ്ലേസിൽ 0 വരും, x ന്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ a ആവും. So that will give us minus b sin beta by b cos alpha plus beta by 2. That will be equal to a minus a cos beta by minus a sin alpha plus beta by 2. So b will cancel off on the left side and a will cancel off on the right side. And now let us cross multiply the equations. So cross multiply cheyumbo you will get sin beta sin alpha plus beta by 2. That will be equal to e cos alpha plus beta by 2 minus cos beta into cos alpha plus beta by 2. Now let us take this cosine term, രണ്ടാമത്തെ termine left side like edukka. So you will get in the form cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So cos a cos b plus sin a sin b എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് cos a minus b ആയിരിക്കും. So that will give us cos beta minus alpha by 2 minus beta by 2. That will be equal to e cos alpha plus beta by 2. So this will be equal to beta by 2 minus alpha by 2. Or any cos of minus x എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് cos x ആണ്, അതുകൊണ്ട് എനിക്ക് ഇതിനെ cos alpha minus beta by 2 എന്ന് എഴുതാൻ പറ്റും. So that will give us the relation e cos alpha plus beta by 2 equal to cos alpha minus beta by 2. And now this is the identity you have obtained when your foci is a 0. Similarly, your chord can pass through the point minus a is 0. So minus a is 0 കൂടെയാണ് pass ചെയ്യുന്നതെങ്കിൽ you will get minus e cos alpha plus beta by 2 equal to cos alpha minus beta by 2. So combining both, you will get plus or minus e cos alpha plus beta by 2 equal to cos alpha minus beta by 2. So this is the required identity. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് ഐഡന്റിറ്റി കിട്ടി. ഇനി നമുക്ക് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ട സെക്കൻഡ് ഐഡന്റിറ്റി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2 equal to 1 minus plus e by 1 plus or minus e. അപ്പോൾ we have the value of plus or minus e from this equation. Now രണ്ടാമത്തെ equation solve ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് let us write what is 1 minus plus e by 1 plus or minus e. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് ഈ ടേം കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുമ്പോൾ you will get this value of tan alpha by 2 tan beta by 2. Okay. So for the second part, plus or minus e will be equal to cos alpha minus beta by 2 by cos alpha plus beta by 2. അപ്പോൾ 1 plus or minus e എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1 plus cos alpha minus beta by 2 by cos alpha plus beta by 2 വരും. So that is cos alpha plus beta by 2 plus cos alpha minus beta by 2 by cos alpha plus beta by 2 വരും. അതുപോലെ 1 minus plus e will be equal to 1 minus ഇപ്പോൾ ഇതിന്റെ നെഗറ്റീവ് വരും, മൈനസ് പ്ലസ് ഇ വരുമ്പോൾ. സോ 1 minus cos alpha minus beta by 2 by cos alpha plus beta by 2. So ഇപ്പോൾ taking the common denominator, you will get cos alpha plus beta by 2 minus cos alpha minus beta by 2 by cos alpha plus beta by 2. Now let us divide both the equations to obtain 1 minus plus e by 1 plus or minus e. But denominator cancel out. So this is what we are going to get. Now this is in the form numerator എന്ന് പറയുന്ന cos a plus b minus cos a minus b ഫോമിലാണ്. അപ്പോൾ cos a plus b minus cos a minus b എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ you will get minus 2 sin alpha by 2 sin beta by 2 വരും. അതുപോലെ ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ cos a plus b plus cos a minus b ഫോർമുല ആണ്. That will give 2 cos alpha by 2 sin cos alpha by 2 cos beta by 2. So 2 will cancel off. You have sin by cos, angles same ആണ്. So this is tan alpha by 2 and tan beta by 2. So you have minus tan alpha by 2 and minus tan beta by 2. So take it to the left side. So this will give us the required equation. And again the second question is, so show that the locus of the point of intersection of the lines kx by a plus y by b equal to k and x by a minus ky by b plus 1 equal to 0, where k is a variable parameter, is an ellipse. So you need to show that the locus of the point of intersection of these two lines will form an ellipse. So here ellipse will be the set of all points xy such that it satisfies both the equations. So point of intersection ആയിട്ട് വരുന്നതായിരിക്കും നമുക്ക് ellipse കിട്ടുക. Now for obtaining the locus of the point of intersection, what we do is we need to eliminate k from these two equations. So from the second equation, ky by b nu parayna, that will be x by a plus 1. So k is b by y into x plus a by a. So I will substitute this k value into the first equation, and hence we can eliminate the value of k. That will give us the equation of the ellipse. So k first equation substitute cheya. Appo first equation eniki k into x by a minus 1 plus y by b equal to 0 എന്ന് എഴുതാൻ പറ്റും. അപ്പോൾ k substitute cheya. So k substitute ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ you will get, so this is the value of k. അപ്പോൾ k into x by a minus 1 plus y by b is equal to 0. So this will be x plus a by a. This is x minus a by a. അപ്പോൾ x square minus a square by a square varum. So you will get in the form b by a square y into x plus a into x minus a plus y by b equal to 0. So taking the common denominator, you will get b square into x square minus a square plus a square y square equal to 0. So denominator will go off. So numerator remaining you will have x square minus a square into b square plus a square y square equal to 0. So taking a square y square to the right side and again divide throughout by a square into b square. So that will give us the equation x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So this is the equation of the ellipse. So hence the locus of the point of intersection will be an ellipse. So that is the required result.